2019 Nissan Titan Pro 4X, 2019 Nissan Titan Walk Around, 2019 Nissan Titan Midnight Edition. Buy new cars. The Nissan's high-performance division is now working on a whole new model named 2019 Nissan Titan. This edition is geared towards serious off-road adventures, and therefore it is going to receive numerous dramatic changes. The latest Nissan Titan will essentially include two distinct body designs, namely, Nissan Titan King Taxi Cab and Nissan Titan Workers Cab. It also comprises up to 4 trim levels, all of which present a range of devices, comfort, and luxury. From the outside, the latest Nissan Titan release appears to be bold and overwrought but does not stray so far concerning cartoonish look. It slightly resembles the Toyota Expense. It features a lot of chrome that assists the car in claiming its aggressive, upright form. Also, there are upgraded wheels that give a little extra dynamic design. 2019 Nissan Titan Quality Design. The exterior of the forthcoming Titan highlights a stealthy, robotic quality and machine-like sharp edges. Its headlights are all new, the fenders are beefed up, and the vehicle comes with functional hood vents to cool the turbo diesel. Up front, the car's grille incorporates a muscular skid plate. Furthermore, a quad-tipped exhaust system gets positioned in the back. The next-gen 2019 Nissan Titan has huge external dimensions along with plenty of chrome parts that are attractive to the eye. The photo and video of new pickup hint that all its body parts are large and majestic. The Japanese truck has hefty exterior mirrors, a powerful false radiator grille, and large headlights comprising of spotlight optics and beautiful columns of LED daytime running lights. It also gets equipped with large wheel arches that accommodate a tire size of between 245/75R17 and 275/65R20. The upcoming Nissan Titan will showcase a polished, premium sports cabin. Its interior targets abusive off-roading without compromising comfort and style. The seats feature a carbon-colored enclosure and high-strength fabric that look incredible. These seats will also get trimmed with bold magma orange accents. Besides, Nissan Titan's interior surface materials encompass polished chrome, carbon fiber, and leather with contrasting embroidery. It has the custom steering wheel made out of a single block of aluminum. Engine specs and fuel economy. The 2019 Nissan Titan simply has one efficiency flavor that is undoubtedly impressive. Under the hood of this machine is a 5.6-liter V8 engine that gives this Mississippi-built vehicle around 390 horsepower and 394 pound-feet of torque. The Titan delivers consistency in power thanks to an excellent transmission. The all-new 2019 Nissan Titan also achieves impressive fuel economy ratings suited to its class. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, this truck boasts the fuel economy ratings of 15 mpg in the city and 21 mpg on the highway. Combined EPA ratings are in the region of 18 miles per gallon. MSRP and release date of the 2019 Nissan Titan. The automaker is yet to reveal much better details regarding the retail price and the car's slated date of arrival. Based on a few insights from our insiders and our judgment, the 2019 Nissan Titan is likely to present a sticker price of $36,000. Our suggested price includes up to $1,195 destination charges. The insiders also hinted that the new machine is likely to touch the showrooms somewhere toward the end of 2018. It will compete with the likes of Chevrolet Silverado, Ford 150, GMC Sierra and lastly, the Toyota Tundra. Thanks.